Okay guys, welcome to this channel. In this channel I will teach you everything about money making, how to make money online, how to make money with affiliate marketing, and how to make money off cryptocurrency. So today's topic will be looking at how to make money with affiliate marketing. So let's jump to my browser. So first off, if you want to start making money with affiliate marketing, you need to decide on an affiliate platform that you want to promote. So let's say if you are into online marketing and blogging, you can start with Bluehost. Bluehost is the company that provides services on domain purchases and hosting. So you can come to bluehost.com/affiliate. Then here are what our affiliates say. Like when you get here, you can join. As you can see on the platform, you get $65 for each qualified sign-up referral, and our affiliate support team will be happy to help provide any guidelines to tips needed to help you grow. So you come to bluehost.com and you click on join now. So when you click on register, you'll be taken to this platform where you see something like make money from your traffic and your audience. So what you need to get started is you need your full name, your email, and your password. Then a little information about your company, your country, and your phone number will be needed. So you even need to select a form of promotion, either your website, mobile, or social media. So the next so let's move to the next platform. The next platform is ShareASale.com. ShareASale.com is a marketplace other than Bluehost. ShareASale has a lot of products for you to sign up with. When you sign up, you get you can promote anything near from software, from lifestyle, or anything like that. Click on affiliate sign up. You need to sign up with your username. You create a password, so before you can get access to product to promote on ShareASale. So the next phase after selecting an affiliate product, the next thing for you to choose is your means of promotion. So it can be a blog, like this blog here is whatdoggy.com. It's a dog website where the owner publish articles on dogs and everything that has to do with dogs. So for this owner to make money off affiliate marketing, you need to own a website just like this. So you can link out to affiliate product that you are promoting on this site. So when any visitor visit your site, they can go to this affiliate website and make purchases through your link. And when they make purchases through your link, then you can earn. Another way to promote affiliate products is through YouTube. You can make YouTube videos just like this one, promoting any affiliate product of your choice. Then when visitors click on these links and they are directed to any affiliate site just like this Bluehost or ShareASale product, you can earn from there. So to create a YouTube channel, you need to go to youtube.com/creators to get a channel. It's as easy as that. So after choosing a product and having a means of promotion, what you need to do next is drive traffic to your site. You need to drive traffic to the affiliate product. So to do that, you can use Quora.com. Quora is a question and answer website where users ask questions and marketers like you answer the questions. So you can just answer any questions and link to your product or a link to your website where you have these affiliate links. So you can direct traffic from Quora to your website, traffic from Quora to any of your affiliate links. So you can sign up with your Google or you can sign up with Facebook to get started with Quora. So the next way to get traffic is using Facebook ads. Facebook is a social media where you come online, chat with friends and family, and create business pages. So you can also make money with Facebook ads by advertising, by telling Facebook that you want to create brand new ads or you want to use an existing ad. So you can choose your audience, the kind of audience you want to target, and you can set up and manage your ad budget whatsoever you want with just Facebook ads. So that's how to get started with affiliate marketing.